Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Today I will share some information about the Melbourne Zoo. Although I have never been there, I have collected information about it. It is the only zoo in the world where you can find the bobo frog. It is the oldest zoo in Australia. Here you can see some information about the zoo. This zoo was established on 1861. Then you can see the map of Melbourne Zoo. After that, you can see some signs of Melbourne Zoo. Melbourne Zoo has many trails. But today we will only see one trail, which is the gorilla rainforests. So get ready for a virtual tour of the gorilla rainforest. Gorilla rainforest is modeled after an African jungle. Head deep into the jungles of Africa where lemurs roam, gorillas rule, and treetops apes and monkeys sing from the top of their lungs. You can also meet Melbourne Zoo's pygmy hippopotamus, the cassowary, and other animals along the way.